Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at treeplanters.com. We are on a job today. We're finishing up with the second major phase of this job. We are at South Seas Resort at the extreme north end of Captiva, Sanibel Island. We have taken 2 months to move 400 palm trees off the golf course, and in the last 5 weeks we have put 200 of them back. Here is our view at one end of the project. Straight ahead of us with a little rainstorm developing over there, that is Pine Island Sound. The houses over there, I believe, are at the extreme south end of Pine Island. You can see buildings way over there. That would be St. James City, and then that's the Gulf of Mexico. And all these palm trees here that you can see in the distance are trees that we have transplanted. About 200 of them. So we've been doing videos all week. I've got a few more to do just to show off what the Tree Planters is capable of. This is a pretty big job. Not for the faint of heart, and definitely not for the novice. You need skill and expertise, and we have them both. We've been doing this for over 50 years, and we're pretty good at it. So whatever your tree project is, the Tree Planters is more than capable of taking your project on and getting it done to completion with expertise and finesse. In other words, we're good at what we do. Give us a call, go to thetreeplanters.com, reach out to us from there, and we'll get trees done for you just like we do for these folks.